Jai Guruji. Anantam Shukrana Guruji for this beautiful, blissful, divine satsang. शुक्राना गुरुजी हमें शिव पुराण की रीडिंग सुनने का और पढ़ने का मौका देने का. Let's begin with the synopsis of last week. Last week we read chapter 34 of Koti Rutu Samhita of the volume 3 of the Shiv Puran. In this we read about the greatness of the phallic image of Harishwara, which was asked by the sages, and also how Vishnu acquired the Sudarshan Chakra or the discus Sudarshana. Now, Suta told the sages that once the three worlds were in disarray because the demons or the Daityas had become very powerful and they started harassing the people and also the gods, and they also started violating the sacred rites. Now the tormented gods then went to Vishnu and sought refuge in him, and Vishnu promised to help them by propitiating Lord Shiva. So he went to Kailasha, dug a pit and started performing a penance, and he performed penance for some time, but Lord Shiva was not pleased. So Vishnu then decided that he's going to recite 1,000 names of Lord Shiva with pleasure and devotion, and each name with a lotus flower. So he had about 1,000 lotus flowers when he recited those names. Now Lord Shiva wanted to test his devotion, and therefore he took one of those flowers, and Vishnu was not aware of it. But as soon as Vishnu got to learned about the shortage of this flower, he went around the whole world looking for that flower, but he couldn't find it. And after a while he decided to offer his eye to Lord Shiva. When he did that, Shiva was delighted and he appeared in front of him and asked him to request for a boon. So Vishnu narrated the plight of the gods and told him that they did not have weapons to kill the demons. Now Lord Shiva then gave his Sudarshana to Vishnu, with which he slew these Daityas immediately, and normalcy returned to the three worlds and the gods were delighted. And then the sages then requested Suta to narrate this hymn of Vishnu, in which he narrated or he recited 1,000 names of Lord Shiva. And today we will start at chapter 35, which is a very important chapter. It has 1,000 names of Lord Shiva. It's a very big chapter, so we would not be finishing the whole chapter in one go. We'll be only reading half of the chapters, at about 400, 500 names of Lord Shiva with devotion. It's a very special chapter, and we have the English reading, and Urvashi Aunty will be reading this chapter in English today. Enjoy the readings. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji.
Jai Guruji, Anantam Shukrana for this divine seva. Chapter 35, 1,000 Names of Shiva. Suta said, "May this be heard, O great sages. I shall now recount the hymn of 1,000 names of Shiva, whereby Shiva was satisfied." Vishnu said, "Shiva, pure; Hara, destroyer; Mrada, gracious; Rudra, terrible; Pushkara, nourisher; Pushpalochana, of flowery eyes; Arthigamya, accessible to the suppliants; Sadachara, of noble conduct; Sarva, all in all, bestower of welfare; Maheshwara, great lord; Chandrapida, with moon for the diadem; Chandramauli, with moon for his crest jewel; Vishwa, universe; Vishvambareshwara, Lord of the earth; Vedanta Sara Sandoha, the essence of Vedanta philosophy; Kapalin, with a skull in the hand; Neela Lohita, blue-blooded; Dhyandhara, object of meditation; Aparichidya, inexplicable; Gauri Bhadra, husband of Gauri; Ganeshwara, Lord of Ganas; Ashtamurti, having 8 cosmic bodies; Vishwamurti, universe-bodied; Trivarga, bestower of virtue, wealth and love; Sarga Sadhana, achiever of creation; Jnanagamya, accessible by perfect knowledge; Dhrada Prajna, of steady intellect; Deva Deva, Lord of Gods. Trilochana, three-eyed. Vamadeva, lovely Lord. Mahadeva, great God. Patu, efficient. Parivradha, chief. Drid, firm. Vishvarupa, multiformed. Virupaksha, odd-eyed. Vagisha, Lord of speech. Sura Sattama, the most excellent God. Sarva Pramana Samavadin, in whom all authorities and proofs agree. Vrishanka, bull-bannered. Vrishvahana, bull-vehicled. Isha, Lord. Pinakin, holding bow. Khatvangin, holding missile Khatvanga. Chitravesha, of variegated dress. Chitrantana, eternal being. Tamohara, remover of ignorance. Mahayogin, great yogin. Gopatra, protector. Brahmandharth, heart of cosmos. Jatin, having matted hair. Kala Kala, slayer of death. Kritivasas, wearing hide. Shubhaga, comely. Pran Atmaka, soul of the devotees. Unnadhara, uplifted. Purusha, divine being. Jusya, worthy to be served. Durvasas, sage Durvasas. Purashana, chastiser of the Tripuras. Divya Yuddha, having divine weapons. Skanda Guru, preceptor of Skanda. Paramestin, staying at the Acme. Paratpara, greater than the greatest. Anadi Madhya Nidhana, with no beginning, middle or end. Girisha, lord of mountains. Girijadhava, husband of Parvati. Kubera Bandhu, kinsman of Kubera. Shrikantha, of glorious neck. Loka Varnotama, excellent of all castes in the world. Soft. Samadhivedya, who can be realized through trance. Kodandin, holding bow. Neelakantha, blue-necked. Parasvadhin, holding axe. Vishalaksha, wide-eyed. Mriga Vyadha, hunter of animal. Suresha, lord of gods. Surya Tapana, scorcher of the sun. Dharmadhyaksa, presiding deity of virtue. Shama Kshetra, field of forgiveness. Bhagavad, lordly. Bhaganetrabhit, splitter of the eyes of Bhaga. Ugra, fierce. Pashupati, lord of beasts, the individual souls. Taraksha, identical with Garuda. Priya Bhakta, favorite of the devotee. Parantapa, scorcher of enemies. Datra, donor. Dayakara, compassionate. Daksha, skillful. Kapardin, having matted hair. Shama Shasana, chastiser of Cupid. Kama Shasana, chastiser of Cupid. Shama Shanaliya, residing in cremation ground. Sukshama, subtle. Smanastha, staying in cremation ground. Maheshwara, great God. Loka Kartar, creator of the worlds. Mrigapati, lord of deer. Mahakartar, great maker. Mahasadhi, great medicine. Somapa, imbiber of Soma juice. Amratapa, drinker of nectar. Soumya, gentle. Mahatejas, of great splendor. Mahadhyuti, of great brilliance. Tejomaya, full of lustre. Amratamaya, full of nectar. Annamaya, of the nature of food. Sudhapati, lord of nectar. Uttama, the most excellent. Gopati, lord of speech. Gopatar, protector. Jnanagamya, attainable through perfect knowledge. Puratana, ancient being. Niti, justice. Suniti, good justice and policy. Sudhatman, pure soul. Soma, accompanied by Uma. Somatara, excelling the moon. Sukhin, happy being. Ajat Shatru, whose enemy is not yet born. Aloka Sambhavaya, whose existence is inferred as possible through the lustre. Havya Vahana, carrier of sacrificial offerings, etc. Fire. Lokankara, maker of the worlds. Vedakara, originator of the Vedas. Sutrakara, composer of aphorisms. Sanatana, eternal. Maharishi, great sage. Kapilacharya, preceptor Kapila. Vishvadipti, light of the universe. Trilochana, three-eyed. Pinakapani, holding Pinaka in the hand. Bhudeva, god of the earth. Swasista, bestower of weal. Sukarta, meritorious. Sudhi, intelligent. Dhatradhaman, abode of the creator. Dhammakara, creator of lustre. Sarvada, bestower of all. Sarvagochara, visible to all. Brahmasark, creator of Brahma. Visvaras, creator of the universe. Sarga, creation. Karnika Priya, fond of the pericarp of the lotus. Kavi, poet. Sakha, Vishakha, Gushaka, Shiva, the cause of welfare. Bhisak, Anuttama, excellent physician. Ganga Palavodaka, water flowing in Ganga. Bhavya, good. Pushkala, eminent one. Sthapti, architect. Sthira, steady. Vijitatman, self-conqueror. Vidyatman, self-controlled. Bhutva Vahana Sarathi, with bhutas as charioteers. Sagana, accompanied by ganas. Ganakaya, with ganas as bodyguards. Sukriti, of good fame. Chinna Samasya, one to whom doubts have been cleared. Kamadeva, identical with Cupid. Kamapala, protector of the desires. Bhasmodvulita Vigraha, whose body is dusted with bhasm. Bhasmpriya, fond of bhasm. Bhasmasain, lying on bhasm. Kamin, lover. Kanta, brilliant. Kritagama, one who has created agamas. Samavarta, who whirls the wheel of worldly existence. Anivratma, whose soul never turns back. Dharmapunja, mass of virtue. Sadashiva, auspicious forever. Akalmasa, sinless. Punyatman, meritorious soul. Chaturbahu, four-armed. Durasada, difficult of access. Durlabha, rare one. Durgama, impassable. Durga, difficult of being attained. Sarvayudha Vis Radha, expert in wielding weapons. Adhyatma Yoganilya, stationed in spiritual yoga. Sutantu, wearing good fabric of universe. Tantu Vardhana, enhancer of the fabric. Shubhanga, having auspicious limbs. Loka Saranga, essence of the worlds. Jagadisha, lord of the universe, suppressor of the wicked people. Bhasma Suddhikara, causing purity through bhasm. Abhiru, non-cowardly. Ojasvin, vigorous. Suddha Vigraha, of pure body. Asadhya, unachievable. Sadhu Sadhya, achievable easily by the saintly. Bhartya Marka Taru Pradhak, assuming the form of the servile monkey. Hiryana Retas, gold cement. Purana, ancient one. Ripujivahara, destroyer of enemies. Balin, strong. Mahrada, deep eddy. Mahagharta, deep ditch. Siddha, Vrinda Vandita, saluted by the gods. Vyagra Charmambara, wearing the tiger hide. Vyalin, clasped by serpents. Mahabhuta, great living being. Mahanidhi, great storehouse. Amrita, nectar. Amritapa, drinker of the nectar. Srimad, glorious. Panchajanya, favorable to the 5 classes of beings. Prabhanjana, hailstorm. Panchavim Satitavastha, stationed in 25 principles or entities. Parijata, celestial tree. Paratpara, greater than the greatest. Sulabha, easy of access. Suvrata, of gate rights. Shura, heroic. Vanmai Kanidhi, treasure stored in all extant literature. Varnasaram Guru, preceptor of castes and stages of life. Varnin, the religious student. Shatrujit, conqueror of the enemies. Shatrutapana, scorcher of enemies. Ashrama, stage of life. Shramana, ascetic. Shama, emaciated. Jnanavat, wise. Achaleshwara, lord of the mountain. Pramana Bhuta, the authoritative proof. Durjanya, difficult to be known. Suparna, Garuda of good wings. Vayu Vahana, having wind as vehicle. Dhanudra, wielder of the bow. Dhanurveda, science of archery. Guna, attribute. Shashi Gunakara, storehouse of the qualities of the moon. Satya, truth. Satyapara, devoted to truth. Adina, non-distressed. Dharma, sacred virtue. Godharma Shasana, chastiser of the beastly natured. Ananta Drishti, of infinite vision. Ananda, bliss. Danda, punishment. Damyatir, suppressor. Dama, controller of senses. Abhicharya, worthy of being approached. Mahamaya, of great Maya. Vishwakarma Visradha, adept in all activities of the universe. Vitarga, devoid of passion. Vinitatman, of well-disciplined soul. Tapasvin, ascetic. Bhuta Bhavana, conceiver and creator of living beings. Unmatebesa, having the guise of a mad one. Prachanna, hidden one. Jitakama, conqueror of lust. Jitendriya, conqueror of sense organs. Kalyana Prakriti, of good nature. Kalya, agreeable. Sarvaloka Prajapati, creator of worlds. Tarasvin, forceful. Taraka, one who takes across and saves. Dhimat, intelligent. Pradhana, chief. Avyaya, Prabhu, imperishable lords. Lokapala, protector of the worlds. Antaratman, immanent soul. Kalpadi, the beginning of Ekon. Kamleshana, lotus-eyed. Veda Shastrata Vajana, knower of the principles and meanings of the Shastras. Niyamin, observer of restraints. Niyamasaraya, support of observances and restraints. Chandra, identical with the moon. Surya, identical with the sun. Shani, Saturn. Ketu, planet Ketu. Varinga, excellent bodied. Vidruma Chavi, having the lustre of coral. Bhakti Vasya, subservient to devotion. Parabrahma, great Brahman. Mriga Bana Arpana, one who discharged arrows on the deer. Anagha, faultless. Adri, mountain. Adrayala, resident of the mountain. Kanta, the luminous. Paramatman, great soul. Jagat Guru, preceptor of the universe. Sarva Karmalaya, abode of all rights. Tushta, satisfied. Manglaya, auspicious. Mangalvarta, surrounded by auspiciousness. Mahatapas, of great austerity. Dirga Tapas, of long penance. Sthavista, grossest one. Sthavira Dhruva, aged and steady. Ahan, day. Samvatsara, year. Vyapti, concomitants. Pramana, proof. Param Tapas, supreme penance. Samvatsarkara, one causing the year. Mantra Pratyaya, credence. Sarva Tapana, scorcher of all. Aja, unborn. Sarveshwara, lord of all. Siddha, Mahatejas, of great lustre. Mahabala, of great strength. Yogin, Yogya, worthy. Maharetas of great virality, Siddhi, achievement, Sarvadhi, beginning of all, Agharya, elderly, Vasu, wealth, Vasunamas, of praiseworthy mind, Vasumanas, of praiseworthy mind, Satya, of truthful existence, Sarva Papahara, destroyer of sins, Hara, remover of sins, Sukirti, of good fame, Shobhana, of good beauty, Sragvin, wearing garlands, Vedanga, ancillary of the Vedas, Vedavit, knower of the Vedas, Muni, ascetic, Brajinsu, Brajisnu, shining, Bhojana, food, Bokatra, diner, Lokanatha, lord of the worlds, Duradhara, unconquerable, Amrita, nectar, Shasvata, permanent, Santa, quiescent, Banahasta, holding arrows in the hand, Pratapavat, valorous, Kamandaludhara, holding water pot, Dhanvin, having bow, Avan Manas Gochara, inexpressible and inconceivable, Atindriya, beyond the scope of sense organs, Mahamaya, wielding great Maya, Sarvavasa, abode of all, Chatuspatha, of four paths, Kala Yogin, united in time, Mahanada, of loud sound, Mahotsaha, of great seal, Mahabala, of great strength, Mahabuddhi, of great intellect, Mahavirya, of great virality, Bhutacharin, moving about with the Bhutas, Purandara, destroyer of the cities or identical with Indra, Nishachara, stalking at night, Pretacharin, moving about with the ghosts, Mahashakti, of great strength, Mahadyuti, of great lustre, Aniri Desya Vapus, whose body cannot be specifically indicated, Srimat, glorious, Sarvacharya, preceptor of all, Manogati, having the velocity of the mind, Bahusruti, of many years or of great fame, Mahamaya, of great Maya, Nitya Atman, of restrained soul, Dhruva, steady, Adhruva, unsteady, Tejas Tejas, splendor of splendors, Dhyutidhara, having brilliance, Janaka, father, Sarvashasana, chastiser of all, Nritya Priya, fond of dance, Nrityantara, ever dancing, Prakashatman, of luminous soul, Prakashaka, the illuminator, Spastakara, of clear words and syllables, Buddha, wise, Mantra, Samana, impartial, Sarasampalava, floating the essence, Yuga Digarth, causing of the beginning of yugas, Yugavarta, causing the yugas to revolve, Gambhira, grave, Vrashavahana, bull vehicled, Ishta, one who is wished for or worshipped, Vishishta, special or well equipped, Shistesha, liked by the cultured, Sulabha, easy of access, Sharasodhana, purifier of the essence, Tirthapura, of the form of the holy center, Tirthanaman, named after the holy centers, Tirthadrisya, visible at the holy centers, Tirthada, bestower of tirthas, Apam Nidhi, storehouse of waters, Adhisthana, supporting base, Durjaya, difficult to be conquered, Jaya, Kalavit, knower of the time of conquest, Pratishta, well established, Pramanajana, knower of testimonies, Hiryana Kavacha, having golden coat of mail, Hari, identical with Vishnu, Vimochana, releaser, Suragana, having gods as attendants, Videsha, lord of lore, Bindu Samasraya, station in the mystic dot, Vatarupa, of the form of wind, Amalon, mine, free from impurity, Vikartar, special maker, Gahana, dense. Guha, identical with Kartikeya. Karana, cause. Kartar, active. Sarva Bandhana Vimochana, releaser from all bondages. Vyavasaya, determination. Vyavasthana, establisher of order. Sthanada, bestower of proper position. Jagadija, originating at the beginning of the universe. Guruda, conferrer of weighty things. Lalita, simple and delicate. Veda, difference. Navatman, new soul. Atmani, Samistha, station in the soul. Visreshvara, lord of heroes. Virabhadra, identical with Virabhadra. Virashana Vidhi, knowing the mode of sitting in the heroic posture. Guru, preceptor. Virachudamani, crest jewel of heroes. Vetar, knower. Chidananda, sentience and bliss. Nadishvara, lord of rivers. Ajnadhara, holder of behest. Trishulin, holding the trident. Sipevista, entering and stationed in race. Shivalya, of auspicious residence. Balakhilya, identical with the sage Balakhilyas. Mahavira, great hero. Tigamamsu, of fairy race. Badira, deaf. Khaga, traversing the sky. Abhirama, the charming one. Susharna, worthy refuge. Subramanya, identical with Kumara. Sudhapati, lord of nectar. Maghavat, identical with Indra. Kaushika, identical with sage Kaushika. Gomat, possessing cows, rays, etc. Virama, final stoppage. Sarva Sadhana, having all equipments. Lalataksha, having eye in the forehead. Vishvadeha, having the universe as body. Sara, essence. Same Sara Chakrabhart, holder of the wheel of worldly existence. Amogha Danda, of never failing punishment. Madhyastha, stationed in the middle. Harina, deer. Brahma Varchasa, having the Brahminical lustre. Pramartha, the greatest entity. Paramya, wielding the great Maya. Sanchaya, collection. Vyagra Komala, tender to the tiger. Ruchi, interest. Bahuruchi, having great interest. Vaidya, physician. Vachaspati, lord of speech. Ahaspati, lord of the day, the sun. Ravi, sun. Virochana, sun, moon or fire. Skanda, Kartikeya. Shastra, chastiser. Vevasvata, Yama. Yama, the son of the sun. Yukti, joint. Unata Kirti, of lofty fame. Sanuraga, loving. Puranjana, Kailashadhapati, lord of Kailasha. Kanta, brilliant. Savitar, sun. Ravi Lochana, having the sun as the eye. Vishwotama, excellent in the universe. Vitabhaya, free from fear. Vishwabhartar, supporter of the universe. Anivarita, unobstructed. Nitya, eternal. Nitya Kalyana, of invariable welfare. Punya Sravakan Kirtana, hearing about and glorification of whom is meritorious. Durasavana, heard far off. Vishvasaha, forbearer of everything. Dheya, worthy of being meditated upon. Dhusvapana, Nashana, destroyer of bad dreams. Utarna, he who takes across. Dushkrita, destroyer of wicked deeds. Vijneha, worthy of being known. Dhusaha, unbearable. Dhava, Lord. Anadi, having no beginning. Bhu, earth. Bhuvaha, Lakshmit, wealth and the glory of the earth. Kiritin, wearing the crown. Tridasa Dipya, Lord of the gods. Vishva Gopatar, protector of the universe. Vishvakartar, creator of the universe. Suvira, good hero. Ruchira Angada, bestower of beautiful limbs. Janana, the progenitor. Jana Jan Madi, cause of birth, etc. of the people. Pritiman, possessing pleasure. Nitiman, just. Dhruva, steady. Vashishta, sage Vashishta. Kashyapa, sage Kashyapa. Bhanu, sun. Bhima, terrible. Bhima Parakrama, of terrible exploit. Pranava, the mystic syllable Om. Satpachara, traversing the path of the good. Mahakosha, of great treasure. Mahadhana, of great wealth. Janmadhipa, lord of birth. Mahadeva, great lord. Sakala Gamaparaga, one who has mastered all the Vedas. Tattva, tenet. Tattvavit, knower of truth. Ekatman, single soul. Vibhu, all pervading. Vishnu Vibhushana, ornament of Vishnu. Rishi, sage. Brahmana, knower of Brahman. Aisvaryam, lordliness. Janam Mrityuja Tariga, one who is beyond birth, death, and old age. That's for today's reading. Remaining half of this chapter will be concluded in the next reading. Thank you. Jai Guruji.